Hi, my name is Chris Antes, personal chef with the Chef For You to Have, and I'm here at the Conscious Cook Kitchen to show you a great recipe on some coastal soup with a grilled shrimp salad. Now with the coastal soup, what I've done is kind of gone by one of my favorite classics, which is a clam chowder. And being that we're here on the West Coast and it's still winter, instead of your standard soup of some clams and potatoes, well, I've got that with the clams, some shrimp, the potatoes, some red pepper, some tomatoes, and then a little bit of some parsley in there. I've let that cook. So we'll keep that off to the side for now while we do the salad. So with the salad, we're going to start off with some iceberg lettuce. We've got our little grilled shrimp here. Have those in with the lettuce. We're going to add some diced tomato, a little bit of some diced red pepper, some celery, a little bit of some cucumber, and then some carrots. And then for the dressing, what I've done is made kind of a good dressing that goes always great with shrimp. And it's just a simple mixture of some mayonnaise and some chili sauce. Now with the chili sauce that I'm talking about, it's not your typical something that's very spicy, but this is one of the classic ingredients that would go with, say, a cocktail sauce. So you're talking, there's a little bit of some ketchup in there and some horseradish and lemon. And then again, that little bit of mayo in there to kind of take the spicy bite out of it. All right, so we're going to put this on the side of this little plate here. And then we've got an 8-ounce ramekin there. That'll be our soup bowl. I've saved some of these shrimp so we can put them right on top. All right. And then I think I'll finish it off with just a little bit of some green onions and then our soup. All right, and we'll add just a little bit of some parsley to finish off that soup. So here we go. A coastal soup with a grilled shrimp salad, and this is perfect for something to have either lunch or dinner time in the winter.